Okay, this is not a very good scramble. I'll probably do the green cross. So the edges are here. So I'll start here. Z, R, F prime. Now insert this one. And I saw this was going to be my first pair in the back left. Then I'll probably rotate this way and do these two. And this pair. Probably insert with the sledgehammer to get this pair oriented, but that ends up with the dot case and G-perm. Okay, here I can do an X cross on yellow because this edge is solved already, so it's pretty straightforward. And I'll look for my next pair as well, which will be the blue-orange pair. So I'll go D prime, R prime, D2, F, R2, and this corner will be solved. And like I said, this is my first pair, or second pair actually, and then I get a free pair. And for this case, solve it like this. Wide soon. And U-perm. Okay, so here I'll probably go for red. So this edge is already solved, and the other three are here. So D, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, D prime, and instead of doing R2, I'm gonna take this pair out first and insert it. And I notice this corner was here, so I can do this pair in the back left next. These two. Pair these up like this and sledgehammer, and I get a 2GLL. Nice case. Okay, I'll go for the orange cross here. 4 edges are here, and start with R2, D, U, R prime, F. I'm gonna do these two as the first pair. Rotate. These two next. And this I'll solve next because it's better to keyhole it than to leave it as the last pair. And I know after I solve this, the last pair will be a free pair. And solve the last pair. OLL. J-perm. Okay, I'll do the yellow cross here. And the red-green pair is gonna be a free pair. And then the second pair I'm gonna do is these two, because they will be in the same position. So I see my cross plus 2 in inspection here. So let's solve this like F prime, U, Z prime. Solve this, free pair first, rotate, and do these two that I saw in inspection as well. And I know this edge is here and this corner is here, so I can cancel into a 5-move alg And I get a free pair here as well. OLL. Y prim. Yeah, nice solve.